Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I know you've been seeing a lot of this 2023 Maverick XL lately, and unfortunately that's probably going to come to an end. I waited a year to get it, and unfortunately I've only had it for about 2-3 weeks. Unfortunately, I already have another one. I already have an XLT, so I really don't need two. So Carvana gave me an offer online that's, a lot more than what I paid for it. So I'm going to go ahead and give it to Carvana, so maybe one of you guys can go buy it from them at a later day. So I'm going to take it down to Carvana and then get started on my next project. Heading down to the Copart auction in Kansas City to pick up my next project vehicle. So stick around and I'll show you what it is. Tesla's loaded up, way back there, if you can see it. Punch it home on the calculator here.
Obey traffic laws, be alert, and use voice commands while driving.
I'm a little bit disappointed in
Turn right now.
Okay. So I'm a little bit disappointed in the Tesla. It should have been listed as stripped because there's really not much left on it. The front and rear bumpers are gone. Sensors are gone. Back seat lower area is gone. A bunch of the molding's gone. Trim's gone. Bumper's gone. Just a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff I need. It's going to be a very expensive fix. It might be worth just buying another completely wrecked Tesla and pulling all the parts off of it that I need. So I'll see you when I get back. Hey, well, it was too dark last night to get any video, so this is the next morning. Tesla's still on the trailer right back behind me, and last night I was looking for parts. This thing is missing a lot of parts. This whole back hatch is all bent up and beat up. That looks like it got hit by like a motorcycle or something. It's kind of a weird, it's not straight on and it's kind of down into it. Got quite a few dents like over in the corner right here. Everything's been pulled off the body shop and it's all missing. So everything that looks like it's supposed to be there is gone, and I have to replace that somehow. So before I left the salvage auction yard, I had to zip tie all this together. So you can see this really thin aluminum just kind of snapped off here. I'm not sure how well I'm going to be able to fix that. The body shop did most of the damage on this side, so I need to find the trim ring that goes along here. The rubber door seal along this whole door is gone. The camera and this lens, that's all gone. This metal trim ring that holds all the rubber on, that's gone. Yeah, just everything. The rocker panels on both sides are gone. All the front end parts. A bunch of stuff in the front is gone. Unless that works. Last night I gave it a quick, very quick wipe down. Get all the dirt off everything. Cleaned up pretty well. I'll have to do another cleaning on this. The back seat's missing. That's kind of important. The upper trim piece and some of the rubber molding for the front is dipped back here. Yeah, just trunk area, just all gone. There's no trim back there. There's holes. That looks like it could be important. The charge connector is right here. So at least I might be able to charge it. Missing the door cover connector or not. Not really a lot of damage. I think the body shop did more damage than the actual crash. Amazon came through for this one-day delivery, so I can use the old charger for my Chevy Volt over there and charge this at 16 amps. It's gonna take a while, but it's better than 0. So the charger's in here and I can't get to it, so let's try to just get attacked by the hatch. See if we can get this maybe bolted up a little bit so we can charge it. Alright, so this is the trunk. There's well, there's nothing here. Nice functional trunk space. But the charger box is a nice high voltage, which is good. It's here, and it should be over there. And you put some bolts through it and hold it in place so I can charge the car. I got these random bolts I got here. Looks like M8s, so we can hold this charger in place. Not really. Latched all the way. Whatever. Okay. Got a charger arm here. Charge current at this location is going to be not that. I only have a 16 amp charger. Let's do 16 amp. Alright, we'll see if it charges. Maybe. Hey, it's blue. That's good. Take this. Plug my adapter in. And then see if it works. I don't know if yellow flashing is good. Yellow flashing is probably bad. Looks like it's not inserted all the way. There we go. Green is good. So it looks like it's charging with my cheapo 16 amp charger from the Volt, because that's all the Volt can take. The battery's got a little ways to go. It is taking the charge though, so it's good. So we can leave the car parked here for a little bit and then get the trailer and everything put away. And make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, let me a comment, let me know how I'm doing, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.